Alright, we're going to show you how to create a cursor loader in 3 easy steps. We start by creating an integer constant for a loader ID. Then we implement the loader callbacks. Finally, we initialize the loader with the loader manager. We start just by creating a loader ID, which is an integer constant. A single activity can use multiple loaders, and they are differentiated by these IDs. Then we have to fill in the loader callbacks. The loader callbacks are a generic interface class with one parameterized type. When we use the loader callbacks with a cursor loader, the parameterized type we use is cursor, which makes the callbacks look like they do here. The most interesting one for us is onCreateLoader. OnCreateLoader returns a loader with parameterized type cursor. This is where we create and return our cursor loader. Cursor loader has a constructor that takes all of the standard content provider query parameters and will call the content provider on our behalf when it is executed by the loader manager. Since cursor loader derives from async task loader, it will be executed in a background thread. OnLoadFinished is called when the loader completes and our data is ready. To use the data in our cursor adapter, we just call swapCursor, but this is where we would also perform any other UI updates we'd want to make when the data is ready. OnLoaderReset is typically only called when our loader is being destroyed. It means that we need to remove all references to the loader data. To do that, we call swapCursor on our cursor adapter with null. Finally, we use the loader manager to initialize our loader. We pass in that loader ID, the loader callback we just filled out, and an optional bundle. This will do all that cool lifecycle stuff we covered in the loader intro, such as calling on createLoader if the loader doesn't already exist. When using loaders in a fragment, we initialize our loader in the onActivityCreated method. And that's it! You've got a basic cursor loader. We're going to have you write one for our next exercise.